Hi, in this video I will demo how to fix a hole in a drywall. I made the straight line so I can follow those lines and cut the drywall. I cut the drywall as I needed. I cannot go to the right side further because there are cable behind it. So whenever you cut the wall, make sure that you're not cutting any cable. Now take a piece of the wood which will fit in the hole and it should be longer from both sides. I put the rope around the wood piece so I can hold it. Pull the rope towards you and then screw it in. It breaks the corner of the wall. I can leave it like this, but it won't be stronger. I will screw in the bottom screw and then remove the top one and put it a little bit higher. As I mentioned before, I changed the screw position on the top as well. Now remove rope. Take the measurement for the drywall piece. I cut the piece shorter. So when I will put this piece into the hole, I can put the filling around the piece. So on the top, bottom, left and right side, it is little bit smaller. Now put the filling around the sides like this. Cover all four sides, then I will place the piece back in the hole. Now use the drywall screw and screw the drywall piece in wood. Now take the filling knife and if you need an extra filler, take that as well and push all the filler inside. After filling the sides, I put the filler on the top and I always put the extra filler because when I sand it down, I don't need to fill it again. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up to the video and write down the comment in the comment box. Goodbye.